Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious cheese and onion enchiladas. First, gather all your ingredients, including corn or flour tortillas, shredded cheese, and your favorite red enchilada sauce. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, finely chop one large onion and sauté it in a pan until it's soft and translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Now, let's create the delicious filling. In a bowl, combine your sautéed onions with 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese. Mix well to ensure the onions are evenly distributed. Next, lightly warm your tortillas in a microwave or on a dry skillet for about 15 to 20 seconds each. This makes them pliable and prevents tearing. Spoon approximately 1/4 cup of the cheese and onion mixture into the center of each tortilla, then roll it up tightly. Once all your enchiladas are rolled, arrange them seam side down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pour about 2 cups of your preferred red enchilada sauce evenly over the top, ensuring each enchilada is well covered. Sprinkle an additional 1 cup of shredded cheese over the sauce. Bake in your preheated oven for 20 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Let them rest for 5 minutes before serving. For an extra layer of flavor, try using a blend of cheeses like Monterey Jack and a sharp cheddar. Don't forget to garnish your finished enchiladas with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or some sliced jalapenos for a little kick. These simple additions truly elevate the dish. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cheese and onion enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.